Good evening, friends. Today we will be talking about the gradient boost. In the gradient boost, we will first see how the gradient boost works and we will see this for regression model. Okay, suppose here I have taken some x and y. Let me write it again. Suppose I have my x and I have my y. X is what? X is my independent feature. Y is what? Y is my dependent feature. Suppose my independent feature is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and my dependent feature is 3, 5, 7, 9. 3, 5, 7 and 9. So what happens is that first of all we give the step 1. In the step 1 we create a base model. Base model is a model which does the prediction for each x data point and it assumes that the prediction for these value will be the mean of the true values. So it finds the mean of the true value, that will be 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 by 4, that will be coming out to be 6. So according to my base model, its prediction were for the data point, that is 6, and it is same for all the x data point. So till here I have find what I have created my base model, and my base model does nothing but it just take the mean of the true values of y and assume it to be the predictions of the x data point in the current data case. Then what happens is we find the residuals, that is true value minus the predicted value. So when you will do true value minus predicted value, you will get what? You will get here 6 minus 3 minus 3, 6 minus 5 minus 1, 7 minus 6 that is 1, and 9 minus 6 that is 3. Okay, so till here we have get this. Now what we will do, we will be coming with our weak learner, that is the step 2. Our first weak learner, that will be a decision tree. Okay, now here the work of our weak learner is not to predict the true values of the data point, but its work will be to update the residuals so that the residual, that is the error between the true and the predicted value, becomes less. So what our model do is it works on the residual and takes the data point. So I have my x 1, 2, 3, 4, and my current model is giving the residual of minus 3, minus 1, 1 and 3. What does the negative value depicts here? The negative value depicts that my model has over predicted. That means the value is greater than what it should be. And what does the positive residual indicates? That means it is the underfitting. That is, my prediction is smaller than the true value. So what happens is my model, that is decision tree, so it takes a threshold value and split the data. Suppose I took 2, for example 2. So here I will take the values which are which are less than or equal to 2, and here I will take the data points which are greater than 2. Greater than 2 I have 3 and 4. In less than equal to 2 I have 1 and 2. So what will happen, I will just, and in the leaf nodes, in each leaf nodes the value will be updated for these, which will be nothing but the mean of the current error, that is minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2, that will be minus 2. And similarly for this 1 plus 3 by 2, 4, 2. Okay, so our new table will be what? So my, according to my decision tree, the residuals for 1 and 2 should be minus 2, and for 3 and 4 it should be 2. Okay, so you see here the value has become slightly smaller, which we wanted, which is satisfying. Now the new prediction values for the 1, 2, 3, 4, what it becomes is the old value which is predicted by our model plus alpha, that is the learning rate for our first decision tree. Learning rate value is so small, that is from 0 to 1, into the prediction which my model has done for that particular x data point. Okay, suppose I have took 1. So for 1 my prediction will be, my old has detected that its value should be 6, and then some alpha, and then this residual, that is minus 2. So here Suppose I take 0.5 as my value, so it will be what? 6 plus 0.5 into minus 2, 0.5 into minus 2 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5. So my new model prediction for the first x data point is coming out to be 5. So let me write it here. My again prediction is coming out to be 5. Similarly, for all the cases, the y prediction is calculated. Now the model forgets this thing. Okay, now we will take this as our current model prediction, then we will again calculate our residual, then we will again make our decision tree. Our decision tree will again update the residual values, and then this process will be continued until the difference between the true value and the predicted value is less. So this is all about the working of our gradient boost. Thank you.